Consider a problem. A point P 7, 3, 2 transpose is attached to a frame NOA. Okay, so this is your NOA frame and initial position is 7, 3 and 2 and is subjected to transformations. So first one, rotation of 90 degree about Z axis, followed by a rotation of 90 degree about Y axis, followed by a translation of 4, -3 and 7. Find the coordinates of the point relative to the reference frame at the conclusion of transformations. So here you can see everything is happening in terms of the XYZ frame or the reference frame, right? Z axis, Y axis, right? So what we have to do, we have to first write the find the matrix for it, and we have to apply pre-multiplication over here, right? Because we are dealing with reference frame. So how you can write? So we can this rotation, first we have to find the rotation of 90 degree about Z axis. So you know the equation for that, right? This is the equation for that. Okay, we are pre-multiplying. So first this matrix will represent the rotation of 90 degree about the Y axis multiplied by, along the Z axis, multiplied by the rotation of 90 degree about the Y axis. So this matrix will represent that, multiplied by the translation of 4, -3 and 7. So you can see the translation is given 4, -3 and 7, right? So we multiply all these things. Again the final answer, if you want to get the final answer, then this has to be multiplied with what? The initial NOA, that is 7, 3, 2 and 1. So whenever we multiply these four matrices, we will get a single matrix, 6, 4, 10 and 1. Okay, so this is a solution for it. And why we pre-multiply it? Because everything is concerned or happen rotation, translation, everything is happening with respect to the y-axis, right? So here the cos theta means the rotation is happening along 90 degree over here. So this theta will be 90 degree, and we know that the value of cos theta is, cos 90 means it is 0. Again sin 90 means it is 1. Again minus sin theta means minus sin 90 degree is equal to -1, right? So substituting the values of all these, we'll get matrices like this, and we'll perform the matrix multiplication on these four matrices and we'll get a single matrix like this. So this is the solution for it. Consider the second problem. Assume that a point P372 is subjected to the following transformations. Rotation is happening 90 degree about the A axis. Translation is also along the NOA frame, and rotation of 90 degree about O axis. So here you can see that everything is happening with reference to the NOA frame. So what we have to perform? We have to perform post multiplication, right? So first we will multiply the matrix of this one, a rotation 90 degree happening in the A axis. Okay, so this is a matrix for that, multiplied by the translation which is happening with 4, -3 and 7. Okay, this is the second matrix. Again multiplied by the third matrix, that is rotation of 90 degree happening along the O axis. Okay, then multiplied by the initial NOA, that is 7, 3 and 2. So we'll have this four matrices. So when we multiply this four matrices, we'll get the values as 0, 6, 0 and 1. Okay, so this is how you solve the problems related to rotation.